Before you spend another $30, $40, or even $60 on a bottle labeled eye health, macular support, or lutein and zeaxanthin, take a look at the produce section. One of the same nutrients printed proudly on those expensive bottles is naturally concentrated in an ordinary dark green leaf. That leaf is spinach. And before we go any further, there is one important distinction. Spinach does not replace an AREDS Two supplement when an eye specialist has recommended one for age-related macular degeneration. But if you are buying expensive eye pills simply because you are over 50 and afraid of losing your vision, you should understand what the research actually says. Because for many people, the first step may belong on the dinner plate. Vision becomes more precious as we get older. Small print becomes harder to read. Driving at night may feel different. Bright headlights seem more uncomfortable. And perhaps someone you know has developed cataracts, glaucoma, or macular degeneration. That naturally makes the words eye protection very powerful. Then come the supplements: lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E, and formulas with names that sound as though every older adult should be taking them. Some of these nutrients are important, and in the right patient, the right supplement can be genuinely valuable. But not everyone needs the same product. Welcome back to Apex Ledger. Today we are looking at one of the simplest foods you can add to your routine for healthy vision, while also explaining when food is not enough. The green leaf is spinach. Spinach contains carotenoids called lutein and zeaxanthin. These pigments are especially interesting because they are found naturally inside the eye, including the retina and the macula. The macula is the small central area of the retina, responsible for the sharp vision you use to read, recognize faces, and see fine detail. Think of the macula as the high-resolution center of a camera sensor. It handles some of your most detailed visual work. Lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate there as part of what is called macular pigment. One of their roles is to act as antioxidants. They also help absorb some high-energy light before it reaches sensitive retinal tissue. Imagine a pair of lightly tinted internal sunglasses. They do not make the eye invincible. They do not stop aging. But they are part of the eye's natural protective system. And dark leafy greens such as spinach are among the most familiar food sources of these carotenoids. This is where the connection to eye supplements begins. The large AREDS and AREDS Two studies investigated whether specific combinations of nutrients could slow age-related macular degeneration. AREDS Two included lutein and zeaxanthin in the formulation. But here is the part that often gets lost in advertising. These supplements were not shown to prevent macular degeneration in everyone. The strongest benefit is for certain people who already have intermediate age-related macular degeneration or advanced disease in one eye. For those patients, an AREDS Two formula may help slow progression. That is a medical use. A bowl of spinach is not a substitute for it, but if you do not have that diagnosis, buying an AREDS-style bottle just because you turned 60 is not automatically necessary. A comprehensive eye exam matters much more than guessing from a supplement aisle, and diet still matters. The National Eye Institute specifically encourages dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens as part of an eye-healthy diet. That makes spinach useful for a different reason. It is not medicine. It is a low-cost way to regularly supply nutrients that the eye naturally uses, and it brings more than lutein and zeaxanthin. Spinach also provides folate, vitamin K, vitamin C, minerals, fiber, and a range of plant compounds. A capsule isolates a few ingredients. A vegetable brings an entire food. Here's a simple way to use it. Start with a handful of spinach as part of one meal each day. You can add fresh spinach to eggs in the morning, put it into a soup at lunch, stir it into lentils or beans, add it to a salad, or gently cook it with a small amount of olive oil and serve it beside dinner. Lutein and zeaxanthin belong to a family of compounds that are better absorbed when a meal includes some fat. That does not mean drowning spinach in butter. A modest amount of olive oil, nuts, seeds, eggs, avocado, or another normal source of dietary fat can fit naturally into the meal. There is no need to chase enormous servings, and there is no evidence that eating a giant bowl of spinach tonight will make your vision sharper tomorrow morning. Think in terms of years, not hours. Eye health is built from patterns. Eat leafy greens regularly. Eat a variety of colorful vegetables and fruit. Include fish when appropriate. Stay physically active. Manage blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol. Do not smoke. And protect your eyes from ultraviolet light with appropriate sunglasses. Most importantly, get regular, comprehensive eye examinations. Many serious eye diseases can develop before you notice obvious symptoms. No food can detect them early. An eye examination can. There are also a few situations where suddenly eating large amounts of spinach deserves caution. Spinach contains a substantial amount of vitamin K. If you take warfarin, that does not automatically mean you must avoid spinach, but major changes in vitamin K intake can affect how warfarin works. Consistency is important. Speak with your doctor or anticoagulation team before dramatically increasing leafy greens. Spinach also contains oxalates. If you have a history of certain kidney stones or have been given dietary restrictions for kidney disease, ask your healthcare professional what amount is appropriate for you. And if an eye specialist has told you to use AREDS Two because you have intermediate macular degeneration or advanced disease in one eye, keep following that recommendation. Do not replace it with spinach because of this video. The supplement was studied for a specific stage of a specific disease. Food and treatment can work alongside each other. So what is the real lesson? The cheap green leaf does not make every eye supplement unnecessary. But spinach gives you lutein and zeaxanthin through ordinary food. And dark leafy greens belong in a sensible, long-term plan for healthy vision. The expensive bottle matters when there is a real reason to take it. The spinach matters because healthy eyes still need a healthy body around them. Do you already eat spinach, kale, or other dark leafy greens regularly? Or have you been buying an eye supplement without knowing whether you actually need it? Share your experience in the comments. And if you value calm, affordable, science-based health information for life after 50, consider liking this video and subscribing to Apex Ledger. Protecting your vision does not begin with the most expensive bottle. It begins with knowing your eyes and giving them the right support.